I've had a Borla Atak Crate Muffler on my Trail Boss, and then I switched to a Borla Atak Crate Muffler True Dual setup. Now I've added an Xpipe. So why did I even add an Xpipe? Well, that True Dual sounded amazing and it performed awesome for about 2 or 3 months. And then all of a sudden I started noticing some sluggishness and performance issues out of that True Dual setup. I even started getting a little bit of drone in the cab. So I actually reached out to Borla and they said, oh, on newer trucks, you've got to run some sort of crossover, whether that be an Xpipe, an H-pipe, something like that. And then I reached out to a muffler shop and they confirmed and said the same thing. Supposedly you can't do a True Dual on newer trucks. That was very disappointing to hear because in the past I've always had True Dual setups and I've never had a problem with them. Now as far as this Xpipe, I feel like I've gotten my performance back, but the tone is just a little bit higher pitched. I'm not crazy about it because I like a nice deep growl. And as far as on the highway, I still get a little bit of drone at certain speeds. So let me let y'all listen to all these sound clips and let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed all that. My exhaust journey on this Trail Boss is definitely not over. I'm gonna look into some other things and I will change this exhaust in the future. So I appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.